going to really benefit not only myself and my children, but the home ed community as a whole. How can I get you guys to hear about it and make it for us? Well, one thing that the home ed team really prides itself on is that we do listen and we do make resources for our members through our Have Your Say feature. Now, every Friday on our Facebook group, and if you're not on our Facebook group, I will post a link to where that is in the description below. Every Friday it is shared a Have Your Say post. And this allows you to vote on members' ideas that they have come up with, and the winner every week gets that resource made. Now, in the description of that Have Your Say, you will find a link to the Have Your Say form. Now, a little bit of a word of caution. We cannot make whole schemes of work. These are just for individual resources. So, in that Have Your Say form, you click on it and it opens up, and you can submit any ideas that you have for awesome resources that you think would make a difference to our home ed community. And then they will feature on a Have Your Say vote in the future. And the one that wins each week gets made by our amazing content writers. Now, I hear a question, and that is, what if I don't win? Well, we also regularly run runners up Have Your Says. So ones that almost won but didn't quite get past the winning post. So if you have those resource ideas, you want to share them, you'd like to see them produced, then please do go and check out our Have Your Say. You don't want to miss it.